Term 3, Unit 1 Geometry, Part 2. In today's session, we are going to learn about Exercise 1.1.
Exercise 1.1. 5 sums are there, ma. So I'll explain one after another just to go through this. Right? Exercise 1.1. First sum, ma. How much wire will be needed to make a rectangle of length 6 centimeter and breadth 3 centimeter? So from this wire, we are going to make it as a rectangle shape like this. Fine? Okay. They have marked it as a rectangle and length and breadth also given. Fine, but we don't know how much wire will be needed to make it like this rectangle shape. Okay, va? Fine. So that's what we are going to find out. Let us start our answer. So draw one rough diagram. So don't bother about this measurement. Just draw one rectangle shape rough diagram and then mark it as 6 centimeter up and down. It's a length, isn't it? Okay. Then for breadth, we need to mention 3 centimeter left and right. Fine. Then we need to write that length and breadth also like this. So after this, as usual, perimeter equal to sum of all sides. So P equal to 6 plus 3 plus 6 plus 3. So if we add all those sides, we get 18 centimeter. So not only this from this wire, we can make it like this earring also. Clear? So boys, you can do by yourself and then present to your sister or your mother. Girl, you do try by yourself for years. Okay, it will be interested and then try. So let us start to work out with that book formula also. Perimeter of rectangle equal to 2 into length plus 2 into breadth, isn't it? So just to fix it here, P equal to 2 into length 6 centimeter plus 2 into breadth 3 centimeter. After multiplying 2 6 are 12 centimeter plus 2 3 are 6 centimeter. So sum, if the length of a rectangle is 14 meter and its breadth is 10 meter, what is its perimeter? Just they have given us a rectangle, isn't it? Okay. Then length is, breadth is 10 meter and length is 14 meter, isn't it? Fine. So now as usual we need to find out the perimeter. Okay. So let us start with answer and draw the rough diagram of rectangle shape and mark it, its length is 14 meter and breadth 10 meter like this. Then as usual you mark the given portion length and breadth, then perimeter equal to sum of all sides, add P equal to 14 plus 10 plus 14 plus 10. After adding, you'll get the answer P equal to 48 meter. So here they have given the unit as a meter mark. So don't forget to put the meter also. Fine. Third sum. Each side of a square is 7 meter long. Find its perimeter. So as usual ma, here they have given us a square, isn't it? Okay. For this square only we are going to find out. Side is 7 meter and we need to find the perimeter, isn't it? Okay. Then answer, draw one rough diagram of square. Then mark it as 7 meter in all the sides. Because 4 sides are equal in square shape, isn't it? So mark it as same and then given. What is the given? Side equal to 7 meter. So as usual, perimeter equal to sum of all sides. So P equal to 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. After adding all these 4, 7 to 28 meter. This is the answer ma. Let us check with our formula also. Right. So perimeter of a square equal to 4 into length of one side, isn't it? So that's equal to sum. If we take 2 rounds of a field, that is 340 meter long and 160 meter wide. Find the distance covered in kilometers. So it's a field ma. Okay. So its length is 340 meter long, isn't it? and breadth is 160 meter. That's what given as the wide. Okay, don't get confusion. So this is the measurement, but they didn't given us a meter, perimeter or area. But what is the question? Find the distance. So we need to find out the perimeter only. And also one more thing, they have given us a meter only. மீட்டர்ல கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, but we need to give us a kilometer, right? கிலோமீட்டர்ல convert பண்ணி சொல்லணும். And also one more step, we need to find out for 2 rounds, not only 1 round, 2 rounds we need to find out. Okay, let us start to do answer. As usual, draw one rectangle shape rough diagram and then mark it length and breadth up and down, and left and right 160 meter. Okay, then as usual write the given portion. Long is 340 meter and wide is 160 meter. Then perimeter equal to sum of all the sides. So P equal to 340 plus 160 plus 340 plus 160. After adding we get the answer 1000 meter, right? So here the answer is in meter only, just we need to convert into kilometer ma, as we know that 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter, isn't it? So instead of 1000 meter we can check it out, 1 kilometer, right? Okay, but very important thing, we need to find out for 2 rounds. Okay, so far we have found out for 1 round only, just we need to find out the for 2 rounds also. So 2 rounds equal to 2 into 1. The sum, Sanju completes 10 rounds around a square park every day. If one side of the park is 110 meter, then find the distance covered by Sanju in a day in terms of kilometers and meters. So it's a square park ma, like this. So Sanju completes 10 rounds daily. Okay, we need to find the distance covered by Sanju in a day, right? Okay, so they have given us a square only, isn't it? So with the side of 110 meter. Clear? That's what given. Let us start to do our work. Answer, draw one rough figure of square with measurements 110 meter in all sides. Fine. So which was given, side equal to 110 meter. This also you have to write. Then write the formula, perimeter equal to sum of all sides. So after adding all those sides, P equal to 110, 110 plus 110 plus 110. Answer, yes, 440 meter, right? But this for 1 round only. So we need to find out for 10 rounds more. So just multiply with 10. That's it. So 10, it's a rounded figure. So just join 1 0. That is, for 10 rounds equal to 10 into 440 meter. That's equal to 4400 meter. And one more task also is there, that is kilometer. We need to convert into kilometer ma. So just to use our formula, this we know, isn't it? So 1000 meter equal to 1 kilometer. Then 1 meter equal to what? 1 by 1000 kilometer. That's it. Just change it. So 1 meter equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. So it's, you have to mark it in a box also, very important. So now let us start to do 4400 meter is equal to 4400 into 1 by 1000 or divided by 1000 directly. Let us start cancelling upper 0 and lower 0, 1 1, and one more 0 is also there, cancel it. Now 44 divided by 10, we get 4.4 kilometer, right? This will be the answer ma. Just check it and do it by yourself. Very important. Distance covered by Sanju